Maddie's going to distract. Alright, guys, Maddie's going to distract Lexi. We took this cardboard cutout out of her room. She's 7 years old. Now, we're hiding it in Maddie's closet, which is in a complete different room. And we'll shut the light off. Shut the door. Sorry for my shaky camera skills, guys. And so,
wait, I'll go first.
It usually is right there. This girl is 7 years old. She's obsessed with Justin Bieber. She has Bieber fever, as people would call it. Alright, hold on. It goes right here. She hasn't noticed yet. Alright, go. And she makes it.
Alright, Lexi, it's your turn. So, I'm just going to keep jumping until you're ready.
Lexi, just go.
So I can use this. I'm going to hide the bar. Just because. Oh,
Alright, Lexi, yeah, you didn't need that. Alright, go.
Alright, let me back up. Alright, go. Whoa, why is it so warm right here? Because your butt was right there. Oh, because your butt was right here. It's supposed to be short and fast, Lexi. Not short and slow.
I don't know if I said this at the beginning of my video. I probably said it at the other video I made. But sorry for my shaky camera skills.
Alright, now it's my turn.
Alright, Lexi.
My turn.
Lexi. Lexi, you gotta stay in here when you're not going.
Alright.
Maddie.
My turn.
I guess she really doesn't care for Justin Bieber.
No, you have to stand over there.
You have to stay in here. You have to stand over here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have to stand here so you can watch the
over
whole
there.
thing.
So you can watch.
Alright, ready? Here we go. What?
I don't know.
It's just the reason why she laughed. She laughed because you were butt there.
What was that, guys? Like, seriously.
Everybody.
No!
That was your whistle.
That was not my whistle, okay?
It was your weird sounding whistle.
Oh, that turns on her fan. Oh! Lights out.
I'm serious.
Lights out.
Alright, turn the lights back on.
Uh-oh. What's missing from your room? Maddie! Hi, Maddie!
Maya, I want it back now.
I don't have it. Maddie, are you in there? Maddie!
Give me! Guys, it's mine! Give me! What?
Maddie, she's going in your room! Maddie, get out of your room!
Oh, what was her face reaction?
She was like...
Where is it? In my room.
It's in Maddie's room.
Look for it.
Yeah.
It's in there. Maya, move! I promise you it's in there. I'm serious.
Sorry guys, this is a long video.
Now! What? Okay.
When I turned the lights out, it disappeared.
It's in my room. No.
Maddie, just get it.
Go get it.
You!
You put it in there. You go get it. No, just Yogi. I can put my horse.
She went down there.
We're not putting that on YouTube.
Says who? You're gonna have to boss me, little girl.
So if you put that on YouTube, I'm literally going on your account and deleting it.
You can't because you don't know my username and password, and oh my god, you will be in so much trouble, and I can just keep uploading it as long as you live. One of these days, you'll watch this, you'll look back at it, and you'll laugh.
Don't.
Make me. Maddie,
No.
make me. She's like, don't put it on YouTube. Don't put it on YouTube. I swear, if you put this on YouTube, I will literally go on your account and delete it. Well, if you go to your history, you can't, she can't access my account, can she?
Yes, you can.
Delete it.
Wait, no, you can't.
Because if I'm not logged in and it's on your history.
Are you filming?
If I'm not logged in and it's on your history, she still can't get it, right? She can?
I don't think she can.
Go try.
No,
I'm trying it then. Sorry guys, she is a brat. She has a devil's head.
She's in my closet. Well, go get it. You put it in there. Go get it. Now I put it
No, I didn't. You did.
Okay, well,
Liar.
You can't make me.
Yeah.
You can't make it now. You can't make me get it.
Lexi? Lexi, it's actually in the office. It's not in Maddie's closet.
You can't make me.
Maddie, or Lexi. Lexi. It's in the office.
No, I'm not. Ow! Then get it.
It's in the office.
Get it.
Make me, you little brat.
Make me.
Sorry, this is a long video, but I'm going to stop it now. Alright. Thanks, guys. Unless you guys want to watch that. Well, yeah, bye.